Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Okay, I don't start till 11. I'm going to come back to this comment from Sharon. I don't start working until 11 because I'm a late riser, okay? I did my time where I had to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and be somewhere by 7. Okay, I did all that. So I'm not insensitive to people when they have to do those schedules. But right now I get to choose what I want to do. But I'm a late night bird too. So I do signings at 9 o'clock. I had that guy, that apostille I told you me and my sister did the other day. I picked it up from him on Saturday. I took it down to Secretary of State on Monday. He came and picked it up. He missed his deadline on Monday. I was going to drive it to him, and then he didn't answer the phone. So that was that. I wasn't going to keep playing games with you. I gave him one shot. I was going to drop it off for him, which was not included. I typically charge a travel fee if I got to bring it back to you. Okay. So I didn't do that, and he missed his deadline. I was going to take it to him for free. I said, well, if I can't get you between 9 and the next 10 minutes, you have to come pick it up. So he came and picked it up, but not that night. He came and picked it up Tuesday night. He said, hey, it's 9 o'clock. Is that too late? No. So like I said, I'll take signings 9, 10 o'clock at night. So I'm a late bird. Other people prefer to do it early in the morning. They may open as early as 6. Some people 24 hours. So there's a lot of room in there where I cannot do every single signing. I'm super notary in my area, okay? Super notary extraordinaire. I love that. That's a good name for a business. Somebody can steal it. I ain't gonna be mad at you, super notary extraordinaire. I'm not gonna be mad at you. You don't owe me no money for that. That's just a freebie right there, okay? But anyway, yeah, so in my area, yeah, I'm dominating. But I can't do everything. So that's another reason why I would love to have her to become a notary, because if it's something I can't do, I can refer to her. And her business can grow. That's how Angela got started. I had so much work, I was referring it to her. Next thing you know, she opened a business. Next thing you know, she working for us. We working together, whatever. And, you know, now she doing her thing. So I pray my sister can join me. It would be nice. Let's see. Sharon says, hey, Kimmi, I love your course. Welcome, Sharon. Will I see you tonight? I love your course. You are definitely the best for an affordable price. I have been referring you to other notaries and upcoming notaries. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I hope it's not just about the price, Sharon, even though I appreciate the compliment, honey, but I know we are dropping knowledge and gems also. So, and the reason I keep it affordable is not because the quality of the courses are less than, okay? Because easily prior to me offering a mentorship, the courses were selling, right? But I got the reasoning. Everybody can't afford to pay $500 for my whole package or $600 for the whole package. They can't. So I was like, what can I do really to help the notary community? And for me, it came back mentorship. And it took me 4 years to create the mentorship program. If you've been watching us anytime, people will always say, y'all got to have a mentor program. You got to have a mentor program. I was not going to roll it out until it was right. I was not. I didn't want to roll it out just under the pretense of let these people pay me monthly. No, I need to bring it. Whatever I put my name on, you're only as good as your name. Another gem, guys. You're only as good as your name. Okay, your business name, whatever that is, ABC Notary, ABC Notary 1. Deliver what you tell people you're gonna do. Okay. So when I rolled out mentorship, it needed to be right. And in my case, for what did that look like? For me, mentorship at first was, actually, this wasn't even mentorship. At first, I gave access to the training library. That's how it got started. It was doing well. People were just like, you gonna let me watch all your courses for $39? What? Yes. So then my husband says, and I'm talking to him, I was like, you know what? I really want to do more for the people though. I really want people to grow. And the only way they're going to do that is having access to me. But how do you get access to me when I'm running my own business? I just couldn't see how to make that work. I just couldn't. And also, a lot of times when people were asking us about mentorship when we first started, it was really like, can I call you to see what color my business card should be? Can I call you to see if I could take an expired ID? Can I call you? Can I be 24 hours for them? No. You got to put something into it. I can't help you at the signing table and you don't know what you're doing. You've not taken any training, but you want me to be your mentor. No, that's not how it works. Even in our real mentorship program that we have now, if you've not taken a training, I can't help you. So I tell people, I'm very clear. Do not put on your card. Do not put on your website. Don't say you can do something and you don't know how to do it. I'm very clear. I will stand on that from now till kingdom come, because you will not succeed. We've had it happen in mentorship. People did something on the job they wasn't supposed to do. And it's like, well, why did you do that? First of all, you got access to us. You shouldn't be out there just willy-nilly. If you got a question, you got to be humble enough to say, hey, I need some help. Okay? I'll take calls at midnight. Okay? Me and my husband was on vacation somewhere. It wasn't really a vacation, but we wasn't at home. So for me, anytime I'm not at home, it's a vacation. But we were somewhere. And it was midnight because I got people on California time. I got people in Nevada time, you know. They're on a different time zone. So my girl had a apostille or something in California. And for my time, it was midnight. For her, it's 9 o'clock. And I was like, whoa, wait a minute. He was like, Kim, who you talking to? I said, hey, such and such got a signing. We got to help her. So, I mean, we do it, honey. That's why I have zero tolerance for a whole lot of nonsense. I just do. Because I bring it. So if we're not your cup of tea and it didn't go the way you think it should, and we can't come to a resolution, I can help you kind of figure it out. You can't reason on it. Some people don't like my teaching method. If I feel like you should know something, I'm going to push back and say, hey, tell me what that process is again. I already know we done went through this, me and you, okay? Because a lot of it is I call you if I have to. We start everything in the chat because each one teach one. But if I have to call you during mentorship, I will. But I've had people where it's like they get offended. I'm paying you for mentorship. You should be able to tell me. You paid $47, access to 16 courses. I'm going to help you, but I need to make sure you're capturing what you're learning. And if you're not, then that means I need to teach it differently. I need to help you a different way. But again, my teaching method may not be for you because I'm not the person going to sit here and hold your hand all the way through. I just don't have time for that. I just don't, because we're pretty thorough in how we teach. We got the receipts, you know, we love teaching. It shows, but I cannot just put it in there and I don't have time to kind of babysit. You know, we're fully grown. We're doing notary boss stuff over here, right? I'm not looking for employees. I'm training you to be a boss of your company. So, you know, again, some people may not like that. So I may push back and say, hey, Charlene, can you tell me what that process is when you go to do ABC? Or, hey, Lisa, can you tell me what should be the process? Or are you sure about such and such? So, in that way, I know you're learning. And you won't ever forget it because you're going to be like, oh, Kimmi said, she asked me that question. So I'm not being mean. It's just, oh, let me see, guys. I got this call here. Hold on. Let me see, can Jeffrey call this person? Let me get this call. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm going to answer your question. Well, you know what? Let me just send him a message. Hold on. I'm going to tell him I'm at another appointment, which I am. Let's see, do they get that? I hate missing calls, y'all. I'm missing money. That's why I wanted to be on the other one so I can answer. Okay, let's get these comments. So, hey, is it Deasia? Hi, Deasia. How are you? Sharon says, no. You have been bringing all the gems for sure. You have me feeling confident. Oh, great, Sharon, because I was like, girl, don't get the $47 twisted. It's just because I'm really trying to help the community. I'm really trying to help the community, and it's working. It's working for you. It's working for me. So yeah, I'm stoked about the mentorship program. So that's why I kind of went on that tangent, because don't let the price fool you, honey. Do not. We bring it every day, all day, 7 days a week.